Afternoon and welcome back folks to the channel. Okay, this is the other canvas. What I've just done, I've just added a little bit of red to the white and it's become like a pink, so don't know how that's going to turn out. But let's give it a go. Try and do them in little blips. Look at that, it's beautiful. Black and yellow. Looks amazing together. But just around there on the top part. Okay, this is certainly pink. Got to leave some because this is a big canvas, bigger than the last one, so I've got to leave some to sort of tip around the edges possibly. Alright, let's get it all. Yeah, there's enough there left. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Look at that beautiful colours there. I'm getting some amazing cells. Shapes. Make sure you put plenty of kitchen roll around because it's quite a messy job. Okay, let's drag it down there for now. Sometimes you have to use your fingers. They do have multiple uses, my friends. Keeps you fit as well, stretching around. Go on, we just need that corner to be covered. This is what I mean, you just get your finger, you're just guiding the paint basically. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I think I'll have a bit of black down there. I want that black at the top. Just to come down a bit. Oh, I'm just going to swirl my hand. You can use gloves if you chose to, but like I say, I just work in the kitchen and it's so easy to just go to the top. It's just this little bit, I want a bit of black here. Just there. And a bit there. Not much yellow, so I'm going to put a big dot of yellow just there. And right there in the black. Put a bit of black on that yellow. Okay, that's enough. No, let's have a bit of green. There we go. Okay, I better leave it at that. Can easily get carried away. Just got to blend that black in a bit on the edge. Oh, that looks brilliant actually, like that. It's such fun. Because you never know how a painting will turn out. I'm just trying to swerve that bit of yellow. So just run down there. Okay, that's it. Straw hands. Okay. Again, get some paint, just touch up the edges. Quite a bit here. Put it on quite thick, it'll just run down. Which is what you want really. So it looks like it's just poured straight over the edge, rather than you just dabbing a bit of a brush. Okay, that's that done. Okay, torch it again. That's looking really good. Obviously I could drag it all again and create something like the previous one, but I don't really want to do another one of those. Okay, that's enough. There you go, that looks fantastic. Obviously when they do dry overnight, well, in fact they take about a week to fully dry, but you will notice that the sheen, the glossiness will actually start to fade. So it's trial and error, friends. When I first started doing these, they look beautiful, and then overnight I had little cracks and splits coming in. So I discovered, by watching great YouTubers like Mixed Media Girl, I do recommend that you take a look at her channel and subscribe to her. She's fantastic at making all these liquid pours and other kinds of artwork, and she's got a fantastic business channel, sorry. So yeah, check her out. So yeah, I learned that you had to mix a few other things, you know, which I do now, like flow-to-roll. It does improve the flow and elasticity, I think, as well. I think my paint was drying out too quick. Okay friends, I hope you've enjoyed the videos, and please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Whatever you do in the weekend, enjoy.